everyone. I'm Koala Teacher from One English Academy, here to help with your homework. It's going to be fun. You'll see. If we go too fast, don't worry. Just hit pause. Take your time and catch up. It's all because if you hold on tight, we'll learn and grow. With every step, the more you'll know. Are you ready? Let's go! Today, we'll be reviewing Lesson 2, Quantity Words. Quantity means how many. For example, some, any, few, a little, many, much, and a lot. All of those words tell us how much or how many. When we have a plural count noun like oranges, we can use quantity words such as some. I have some oranges. And any. Are there any oranges? We can also say, I have a few oranges. I have many oranges. But we cannot say, I have a little oranges. I have much oranges. But we can say, I have a lot of oranges. For our non-count nouns, like milk, we can say, I have some milk. Or, is there any milk? We cannot say, I have a few milk. Or, I have many milk. But we can say, I have a little milk. Or, I have much milk. We can also say, I have a lot of milk. When we use quantity words like some and any, we use them with plural count nouns and non-count nouns. We use some when we say, yes, 있어요. And we can also use some to ask questions. Do you have some cookies? 너 쿠키 있어? For any, we only use it when it's negative or a question. 아닐 때 경우 그리고 질문할 때. For example, I don't have any cookies. 또는 do you have any cookies? When we use a few, a little, and many and much, we use a few and many with plural count nouns. We use a little and much with non-count nouns. And we can use a lot of with both plural nouns and non-count nouns. We also learned about measurement words. For example, we know that milk is non-count. But we can say, I have a 또는 one glass of milk. Or there is a carton. A carton is the 종이. 종이로 되어 있는 박스. A carton of milk. We can use measurement words with both non-count and count nouns. For example, there is a bag of cookies. Cookies는 셀 수 있으니까 count noun이죠. We can say we have a bag, 봉투, of cookies. Measurement words can also be plural. For example, there are 2 cartons of milk. Or we can say there are 2 bags of cookies. 우리가 자주 볼 수 있는 measurement words들은 a bag of cookies, a bag of chips, a bottle of juice, a bottle of water, a cup of tea, a cup of soda, a piece of wood, a piece of paper, a bowl of rice, a bowl of soup, a can of tuna, a can of beans, a glass of water 또는 a glass of milk, a slice of cheese 또는 a slice of bread, a box of apples 아니면 a box of tangerines, a carton of milk 또는 a carton of juice, and a loaf of bread. If you're ready to get started with your homework, let's go! On page 9, the directions say to circle some or any. Circle both if necessary. 둘 다 사용하게 되면 그때 we'll circle both. Remember, some is used for plural nouns and non-count nouns. Any we use when there's a question or something negative. In number 1, the sentence says, There are birds in the tree. 점이 있고 그리고 we don't see any negatives. There are not 또는 there aren't가 없잖아. So we'll say there are some birds in the tree. Number 2. I don't have money for ice cream. 일단 점인데 don't is a negative. 없다. I don't have any money for ice cream. Number 3. We would like to have cookies. 점이 있고 no negative. So we will say some. Number 4. Is there milk in the refrigerator? Oh, this is a question. In questions, we can use any. 근데 some도 가능해. Is there some milk in the refrigerator? 또는 is there any milk in the refrigerator? We will circle both. Number 5. There isn't homework today. It's a negative. Isn't는 is not contraction이잖아. So we will circle any. Number 6. There isn't pizza left. 또 negative가 나오네. any가 맞죠? And number 7. Do you see clouds in the sky? 질문인데 we will circle both. And number 8. We want hot chocolate. Well, there's no negative and it's a period. We will circle some. Great job. In part B, we need to circle and write the correct words. Number 1. Do you have brothers and sisters? 이거 질문이라서 we will say any. Number 2. We don't get snow in the winter. Will we use many or much? I'll give you a hint. Snow is non-count. Do you remember which word we use for non-count? A little 또는 much, but our options are many or much. Good! Much snow. Number 3. Can I have water? 질문이고 it is a non-count noun, so we will say some. Number 4. There are apples in the basket. A few는 plural nouns들이랑 사용하는 거고 a little는 non-count noun 때만 사용하는 거야. So apples 보면 this is a plural noun. There are a few apples in the basket. Number 5. Sarah has friends. Many is used for plural nouns. Much is used for non-count nouns. Friends, we can count. I have 1 friend. I have 2 friends. I have 3 friends. 등등. So we will say many. Number 6. There is cheese on the pizza. We know that cheese is a non-count noun. Many, 방금 한 것처럼, is for plural nouns. A lot of can be used for plural nouns and non-count nouns. 근데 cheese가 non-count noun인 것을 아니까 we will say a lot of cheese. Number 7. There is juice in the bottle. juice는 non-count이죠. A few is for plural nouns. A little is for non-count nouns. So we will say there is a little juice in the bottle. Number 8. There are flowers in the garden. Can we count flowers? Yes, we can. A lot of는 plural 그리고 non-count에 사용할 수 있고 much는 only non-count. So we will say there are a lot of flowers in the garden. And number 9. There aren't comic books here. negative가 있네. 없다. There aren't any comic books here. Great job! Please check your answers and we'll go to the next page. On page 10, the directions say to read and match. We will use measurement words to help connect them to what we can use them with. For example, a cup of tea, a loaf of 빵, bread, a bag of cookies, a piece of cheese. Good job. Next we have a box of, do you see the box? A box of oranges. A glass of milk. A slice of tomato. And a carton of eggs. Good job. In part D, the directions say to rewrite the sentence using a few 또는 a little. Remember, a few는 plural nouns이랑 사용하면 되고 a little는 non-count에만 사용하면 돼. I will write plural nouns and non-count nouns so we can remember. Number 1, we have some apple juice. apple juice는 non-count noun이잖아. A few, plural noun. A little, non-count noun. So we will change some to a little. Number 2, Amy needs some crayons. crayons는 plural noun인가, non-count noun인가? Well, there's an S, and we know we can count it. I have 1 crayon, 2 crayons, 3 crayons. So we will use a few. Amy needs a few crayons. Number 3, put some milk in the tea. milk는 non-count noun이잖아. Non-count noun, a little. Put a little milk in the tea. And number 4, are there some eggs? eggs는 s로 끝나고 셀 수 있으니까 plural nouns이겠죠? Are there a few eggs? Great job! Let's keep going to part E. In part E, we need to do the same thing but with many or much. many는 plural noun이고 much는 non-count noun 때 사용하면 돼. Number 1, we don't have a lot of homework. We know that homework is non-count. So we will say, we don't have much homework. 그렇게 많이는 없어. Number 2, he has a lot of friends. Ooh, we see an S here and we know we can count friends. We will say, he has many friends. Number 3, do you have a lot of money? money는 non-count noun이죠? So we will use much. Do you have much money? And last, number 4, there are a lot of good movies. movies는 S로 끝나고 count 할 수 있으니까 we will use plural noun. There are many good movies. Great job! Please check your answers and I'll see you at our last page. On page 11, the directions say to circle the correct words. In number 1, it says there is a few 또는 a little orange juice. Remember, orange juice is a non-count word. A few is for plural nouns. A little is for non-count nouns. Which one should we use? Good, we will use a little. Number 2, my dad doesn't drink many 또는 much coffee. Coffee is also a non-count word. Will we use many or much? Many is for plural nouns and much is for non-count nouns. Good, we'll use much. And number 3, are there some or much peaches in the basket? Peaches 보면 it ends in es, so we know it's a plural noun. We use some for plural noun and non-count nouns, and much for non-count nouns. Which one would we use? Good, some. Number 4, Peter doesn't have some 또는 any brothers. Brothers is a plural noun. 근데 여기 negative가 있어서 we will say any. Number 5, we don't have many or a lot of homework today. Homework is a non-count noun. Many is for plural nouns, a lot of is for plural nouns, and non-count nouns. Which one would we use? Good, a lot of. In part B, we need to use articles. a, an, or the. article가 필요 없다면 go a zero slash. For a and an, we use it when we're talking in general. 전체적으로 얘기할 때 사용해. For the, we use it for singular nouns, but we use it for 특별하게 생각하고 있는 거가 있을 때 사용하고 we also use it when there's only one. For example, the sun, the sky, the moon. Let's start. Number 1. Look up in sky. 방금 얘기한 거. sky는 하나만 있잖아. So we will write up in the sky. Is it owl? 전체적으로 그냥 물어보는 거야. owl인가? Is it a 또는 an? Owl starts with an O. We know that O is a vowel. vowel들이 있을 때는 we need to use an. Very good. Number 2. Do you want milk? Yes, I want glass of milk. 일단은 we know that milk is non-count. Non-count noun들은 we don't use a or an. So we will write zero slash. Yes, I want glass of milk. Glass of milk is a measurement word. glass, one 이라서 a 또는 an 사용할 거예요. G is not a vowel, so we will say a glass of milk. Number 3, look, there is cat. 그냥 고양이가 있다. Will we use a or an? Good. A cat. It's behind 그 나무 뒤에 있어. The tree. Number 4. I want slice of cheese in my sandwich, please. 또 measurement word가 나오네. Slice is one. One slice of cheese. Will we use a or an? Good. A slice of cheese. Number 5. Do you have orange in your lunchbox? Orange is a singular noun. Orange starts with an O. O is a vowel. Do you have an orange in your lunchbox? Number 6. I don't like rain. I like snow. Do you remember? weather에 대한 단어들은 non-count이죠. So we will do 2 zeros and 2 slashes. I don't like rain. I like snow. Great job. In our last part, part C, we need to circle and write the correct words. In number 1, we need to use many or much. Many is for plural nouns. Much is for non-count nouns. We don't have money. money는 non-count이죠? So we will say we don't have much money. Number 2, many, much 또 나오네. many는 plural nouns, much는 non-count nouns. There aren't flowers in the garden. Flowers, 셀 수 있죠? We'll say there aren't many flowers in the garden. Number 3, some and any. Some and any can be used for both plural nouns and non-count nouns. Some is for affirmatives, yes. Any is for negatives, no. Jack is new here. He doesn't have friends yet. doesn't negative이네. Then we will use any. Number 4, a few. A few is for plural nouns. A little is for non-count nouns. There are books on the shelf. Books. 셀 수 있죠? We'll say there are a few books on the shelf. And our last question. A few, again, plural nouns. A little, non-count nouns. Jake has homework today. homework는 non-count이죠. So we will say a little homework today. Please check your answers and we're all done.
You did an awesome job today. I'm so proud of you. Keep up the great work. You know what to do. I hope you'll miss me and be ready to play. Koala Teacher will see you in the next video, okay? Bye!